Yeah, this video is about to read a VSAM file. To read a VSAM file using a key. It's a random read. So I have got a VSAM file here. So this is the VSAM file, and I have got data into this VSAM file. Let me check the copybook layout also. So I don't have anything here. So let me write down a copybook here. So this is a copybook, and I have got the copybook layout in this fashion. Yeah, this is the copybook layout. Just try to copy this copybook layout and paste it in a copy. That is it. Okay. So this is your 8th column. Save. And this is your 12th column. So I can copy this into here, 12th column. Take 12th column. So save it here. And just check the layout of check the layout of the data. Check the data with this copybook layout. So go to the file manager. Start. File manager is FM here. Then one view. KC02 555.inv mest. The copybook layout is KC02 555.copylib. The member name is inv mast. The copybook layout that I have to use is this copybook, so that's why I have to use above. Since it is a VSAM file, you have to go with the key option. So 1. If you have any edit template, if you want to go for this thing, then I can choose this. Otherwise, not required. Okay, I don't have any selection criteria here. Just press F6 now. So you got all the data here. So it looks good. Okay, as per the layout. Okay, so let's try to read this record 1007. Okay. So our intention is to read the record. So question is, read the VSAM file okay using key value. Okay, so what is the VSAM file name? VSAM file name is kc02 555.inv mast, and the copybook is kc02 555.copylib. Within brackets you have to give the copybook name is inv mast. So I got everything right now with me. Just I need to write a program. Okay, so I have got a file, I have got the copybook layout, just I need to read. And the key value, what is the key value that I have? Record key value. So here key field is IR item number, IM item number. I want to read a record whose value is equal to 1007. 1007. So this is the entire record. So you should get the display data in this way. Let me go in single format SNGL so that I can see the data in a record by record. So this record I should see this record. in the display statement. Okay, so let's write a program. So how to write program? So whenever a file is there, so you should have three steps are there. Number one is select statement, where you should write in environment division. In that environment division, you should have input output section. In that you have a file control. Number two is data division. In that you should have a file description here. That is FD class. File description. It is under data division. In the data division, you have a file section. There you should write FD. Okay. File section FD class. Then you need to open the file. Then read the file using key value. Okay. Then close the file. So let's write a program here. Take this program, sample program, .zref.gtl, pgm 17. Refresh. So take a pgm 17 here program. So I have environment division here. So environment division. Then in that division, I should have input output section. Then here, I should have a file control paragraph. Here I should write select statement. Select file name is envmast. I assign to envmasti. Then I should have organization. Next, access mode is random because I want to read the file using the key value. So then I have got record key. Okay, I say like IM item number, which is the key number from the copybook. Then file status. FF INV status. This is the value. So this should be there in the working storage section. Immediately I'll write working storage here. So I have a data division. So I should have a file section here. Under the file section I have a FD class. Under the FD class I should have a file name as it is, this one. Okay. Then under this file you should have the copybook layout. So let's say like copybook name is INVMAST. Then you have a working storage section. Under this working storage section, I'm going to put this variable, which is file status code, 2 bytes of memory area. Pick x of 2, okay, or 9 of 2, anything you can use. And let's take two variables. One is to let's create one flag variable for file. So let me create one WF INV MASTI flag variable whose pick is x of 1, and take 88 variable here again. 88 variable, it should be in margin B only. So end of file INVMASTI, so whose value equal to y, and again 88, not end of file INVMASTI, whose value is equal to n. Okay, so WNMST flag pick x of one value y and value n. This I'm going to use when I'm using this loop. So we have got two things completed. So this is completed, this one is completed, and this one is also completed. So now I need to go for a read the file and look for the data. What is the file here? So here I'll say like perform 1000 init through 1000 exit. So I'm going to repeat the same for two more times. This is 2000, 2000, 3000, 3000. This is main para and exit. 3000 is close para and exit. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Here I'm going to keep 1000 IN90 exit. Okay, so repeat the same thing and create two more paras. So when it is 2000 main para, 2000, 3000, 3000. This is close. This is main. So here all the files opening everything like set not end of file env mast to true. Okay, and again open input mode inv masti. So we are opening the file in input mode. Okay, so you have got the key value. So when you have got the key value, then you need to read that key value now. So using the start command, first of all you need to position it. Start file name is invmasti for start file name. Key is equal to okay im item number. So this is the key field. So try to move the value into here. Move single quote 100 1007 to im item number. So this is IM item number. Okay, so IM item number. So this thing. Then if you found, if you could not find this key, so it will come to invalid key. So here write display statement display. Okay, key is not found in the file. Okay, what is the key value now? IM item number is the key value that you need to display it. Okay, not invalid key. What do you want to do? Not invalid key. What do you want to do? So if it is not invalid key, say like whatever you want to display. Otherwise you can give. Otherwise you can say like end start. I'm not going to do anything. So not invalid key I'm not writing because I'm not going to handle anything here. So start command is going to position the pointer at the record value equal to 10007 in the VSAM file. So it's going to point at the position, but it is not going to retrieve the data. So if you want to read the data, you need to write like this. So here, let's write this and we'll try to modify the program later for more like efficient program. To make it as more efficient program, we'll try to change the modify the code. Okay, for different conditions to handle different conditions. For the time being, just read the read. File name is invmasti. Next record, then invalid key, display key is not valid, not invalid key, end read. Not invalid key, try to display the values, whatever you want to display them. So these are the values, right? So I can try to display all this stuff as it is. Display single quote, single quote. Okay, repeat this for 6 or 7 times, 8 times, otherwise. Okay. Okay, that's all. Then close the file. I think this is also not required. Which one? This flag variable also not required because we are not reading this file until end of file. So I don't think we are using it anywhere. So I'm going to remove this stuff for the time being. Otherwise, you just keep it for future reference. But for the time being, it's not going to be used. This is also no use. So I'm going to comment this also. Okay, comment. This entire thing also even comment. But it is working so variable, so they are going to be, they will be unused variables only. Not more than. So since the item number is alphanumeric data item, I need to enclose the data within single quotes. So it's alphanumeric and it is the key. So compile this program, change all PGM 01 at PGM 17, submit. So we got some errors here. Start SQL SDST AC02 555. Record key missing or invalid. Index access mode is random. Record the key is IM item number. I think copybook is not expanded. Okay, so but the LIB compiler option was not in effect. So let's try to change the parameter here. Opsil count palm equal to single quote LIB. Still I'm getting, because let's see the proc. So I need to have here palm.compile. So the parameter is like palm.compile. This is the override. Submit now. Still I'm getting error. I think copybook is not expanded. Yeah, copybook is not expanded. Let's try to Invmast. The spelling member name is wrong. INVAMAST is there. It should be INVMAST. So go to the program INVAM. Change it to MA. Okay. Now try to compile the program. Still I'm getting error. The start statement was found for a file which did not have sequential or dynamic access. Yeah, we should not use it for random access. So go here, change the program. This entire thing is comment. Because the access here it is random. So you can't use this. Okay. Still error. The next phrase was specified with invalid key. Let's put record only. Okay. Because next is valid for sequential only. So here it is. Program is successful now. Successfully compiled and link edited. Okay. So now try to execute this program. Run, go here, go put PGM17 and give the file name also here. And the file name is invmasti disp equal to share, comma, dsn is equal to kc02 555 dot invmasti. Submit. So let's look at the result. Okay, so you got all the data for 1007. So description is there, 11. So you can compare all these values with the values which you have got it from file manager. So you got 1007, 11.85, 50, 1000 and 121. Okay. Okay, so this is the way how you can read the data using record key. Thank you.